The golfers of Canary have seen the last of me. I've joined the rush towards the north to dig the rich Barkey. To dig the rich Barkey, me boys, to Charleston I have come, and here I'll stay and learn the way to beat the Charleston drum, me boys, to beat the Charleston drum. I stepped ashore at Constant Bay and stared in wild amaze. A township in the wilderness met my astonished gaze. The sight of 80 pubs and more was like to strike me dumb. The diggers are a thirsty mob who beat the Charleston drum, me boys, who beat the Charleston drum. I stood there on the beach, me boys, and heard a fearful sound that rolled like thunder round the hills and echoed through the town. I asked the digger, what's that noise that seems to throb and thrum? Why, that's the Stamper batteries, boys, we call the Charleston drum, me boys, we call the Charleston drum. From Charleston through to Addison's, you'll hear the drummers play. 100 Stamper batteries, boys, are working night and day. In candlelight and darkies lead, there's gold for all who come, and set their Stamper boxes up to beat the Charleston drum, me boys, to beat the Charleston drum.